What happened? Bobby. Bobby. Bobby.
Oh my god.
Bobby.
That was terrible.
What happened? What happened?
That was terrible.
What? What? What happened?
He's like, you open it up, take a picture. Like, open it. Let me take a picture.
Why do you want to take a picture of him going poo?
Why don't you shut the fuck up?
Bobby, something loud, man.
Who cares, dude? We're leaving tomorrow. Open it. Right here. Look, picture. Let me take a picture. No, I didn't get it. I started laughing. Open. Come on, you're not that constipated. I'm trying to take a picture, you're shitting. I want to take a picture. Oh my god, it smells.